Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is an update video about I get some apps to install in my Playpoint option in which server. So I'm going to show in this video. Okay, so I'm going to show in my account option which server I get some Playpoints to install. Okay, look guys, this is Taiwan server guys. Okay, from many days we are not getting apps in Taiwan server, but wait guys, before leaving this video and going to check out the app, please watch the video at last. I'm going to show you how many apps we got in Taiwan. Look guys, before we are getting some app like this in Taiwan server, we are getting a lot of app in Taiwan server, but look guys, now we get only 2 app. One app is equal to 5 points and 2 app is equal to 10 points guys. When I see this, I can't believe in my eyes, and I go to check in my Chrome browser also. Okay, when I open my Chrome browser and checked in Taiwan server, look guys, there is also 2 app is equal to 10 points. Okay, when I see this, I become very unhappy because many of my subscribers made many account in Taiwan server too at the hope of getting more play points. Okay, so look guys, before we are getting a lot of apps, at time we have got 95 points also in my Taiwan server. Okay, but now guys, only 10 points we got by Taiwan server. Okay, so please share your opinion in your comment option. I want to know you are happy or not by seeing this only 2 apps in Taiwan server. Okay, so of course you are unhappy to see this, so I'm going to install this app. Okay, I'm going to claiming my 10 points. Okay guys, so I have already claimed my 10 points, and there are a lot of apps we got in Korea account also, but Taiwan server is giving less app as compared to Korea server right now. Okay, so if you like my video and want latest update about Playpoint, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.